Part 2 of the shopping haul. Now, we have discussed about the wine tasting. Want to give them the information?
I don't have it.
It's going to be July 30th. It's going to be on a Saturday. And it can go up anytime that day. I know we don't really care what time because we have international channels that join in a lot. And everybody has jobs, busy family life, and it's just hard. It's hard for me to put in videos on a specific time. I can usually do the day. It's the time I can't do.
Yeah.
And so we don't really care about the time. I know that's not saying good for us because I know it's supposed to be so important to get the time. But the most
I think it's important because they want everybody to go and look at the playlist, and so if you're already watching one video, it'll go to the next one. So that's why they want them all to go up around the same time. But we understand, it's difficult. So
I'll probably, try to get ours probably up around noon or something on that day, because we're going to shoot the video that morning.
Yeah, I don't know. I would say more close to like 5 o'clock. I mean, that would be a safe time to say.
Okay, we're going to try to have ours up at 5 o'clock on July the 30th. That's going to be, what's it going to be called?
It's wine and charcuterie board celebration. No, I don't know. We'll come up with something. We'll do another little. We'll make a little invitation video.
But start planning for it now, and we're giving you enough time to plan. And as you can see, we have lots of things to use for ours.
And so you just want to put together a tablescape that shows you're going to have a bottle of wine glasses, of course, and some plates with hors d'oeuvres, or your charcuterie plate. Your charcuterie board, which is the charcuterie has your meats, your cheeses, olives. You can go crazy with whatever you want to put on it.
Or you can go simple.
Yeah. Sometimes we just have salami and cheese with some crackers, but you make it your own, whatever you want to do, but just keep in the theme of wine and snacks, but which is called the charcuterie board.
And like someone like me that I don't really drink, but my daughter has wine, so we can always borrow a bottle. So if you need to borrow a bottle of wine from a relative, that's fine too.
Just go get a cheap bottle.
Or be like me, get a wine cooler. She cringes when she hears.
No wine coolers. That's fine. If that's all you like, that's fine. I don't want to make you drink something you don't like. Or you could just pretend. I don't know, but let's move on.
Okay.
So this is a part 2 of the shopping haul from the thrift store. Secondhand store. I guess I shouldn't say thrift store. Secondhand store. So the first thing I wanted to share was I'm going to be doing like a tropical table. So I found these tropical plates. They're so pretty. And these are, it's called the Island Plantations series, but I don't know where it came from. It doesn't say. But this was $1.98 a plate. These were the 25% off. I don't know.
You know what it sort of looks like when you look at it in the camera? Where the plate goes to white, it almost looks like a large moon popping through.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Looks like you're under the palm trees and under the full moon. Yeah, that looks nice. But that's not what I'm going for. So I have 2 of them. So we'll be doing a table for 2 with these. And then, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get 2 of these. I looked high and low, but I don't know. Maybe somebody broke their other one. I don't know. So I'll probably just use it like as a little
serving thing.
Serving dessert. I don't know. Whatever. I'll put it on top of a riser and make it more of like a serving. But I did get these 2, which is supposed to be the saucer for a cup, and so Mom says it would look okay like this.
I think it looks very pretty.
I'm not sure about that, but I've got some other ideas that I'll play around with. But it's still, for the tropical look, I can't beat that. And then this little one was 75 cents, and these ones are 45 cents. So they're still pretty good. who knows? I might find the other one another shopping time. Sometimes
That happens.
sometimes they get apart, and then if you go back to the secondhand store the week later, then lo and behold, there are other ones there. So you just never know. And then I found this little doily. I'm always looking for little doilies, and this was only 25 cents. So every time I see a doily, I pick it up, because you never know when you're going to need a doily to cover something.
And both of us really, really do enjoy the doilies.
Yeah. I wish I had more so I could use them like in DIYs, but I don't want to turn them into something permanent because I don't have enough. So.
Well, you never know when you're going to find them.
Well, right. So that's why every time I go, it doesn't matter what color they are, I pick them up. So I have a stash of them. You just don't know yet. And then I found these these nice napkins. They're in a green color. It wouldn't be good for my tropical because it looks more too formal. Maybe around fall time I can use them. But there's 4 of them in here. And they were $2.98, and it's a yellow tag, so that was half off, so that was $1.50. So that's really good because napkins are expensive. And I've been looking everywhere for napkins as well. So.
Well, I think a good cloth napkin just elevates everything.
Right, yeah, I agree. And then I found this for, this one was 99 cents, and I thought, oh, for fall, I can use that. I can use it this way, or I can just have it like this and use it for Halloween. So,
I think it'd be great for Halloween.
yeah, I like the colors. So, you know, you gotta, when you see the stuff, even though you're not gonna be using it at this moment, you gotta pick it up because you can use it later on. And these prices, it's better to buy secondhand stuff as long as it's in good shape instead of paying full price at the store.
Or even if you find something on sale at the store, sometimes they have some great buys at Hobby Lobby and at Home Goods that, you know, they're out of season, but you just hang on to them.
Right. So now some of the other items I got, I really love these. It's like a mercury glass, and it's got gold on the inside and silver on the out. And that was one of the things I've been struggling with is I have a lot of gold but not a lot of silver. So this will work perfect for either table setting. And I have 2 of them. And as you can see, they're different designs, but it's still exactly the same. So I really like that.
And it looks more like orange than gold, and that'd be great for Halloween and fall.
Yeah. And these were $1.98, and they were a yellow tag, so that means they were half off, so I got them for $1.
I mean, I can't wait to see candles in them and see what they're like.
I know. And then on the last shopping haul, I had we talked about the wine tasting little party we're gonna do, and I got these, and I thought these would go with the other plates. And so you've got your breads, your cheese, and you got your little olive branch there. And then this one has your breads and your cheese and your glass of wine. So I'm going to use these for, you know, just placing some goodies on it. So these are cute, and these were 75 cents, and these were 25% off. So I think I got a really good deal this time around. I didn't spend, I think it was, I don't know, I don't want to say, because I don't think it was right. Then I got these, and I'm not sure, I probably won't use them on the same time. I think I'll use them on another time. But these are so pretty.
I think those are my favorites.
Just look at the vibrant colors. And it says, it's in French, so I can't read it, but it says 1855. I doubt that these have been around since 1855.
Maybe the manufacturer.
The manufacturer, yeah. And then here's another one. Look at how pretty that is. So I don't necessarily think that I should be serving food on this. I might just use these as a display, but I really, really like them.
If you could get 2 little plate stands, you could put them as for a centerpiece.
Yeah, because they're so pretty.
Oh, I love
the
them.
colors.
Those are my favorite.
And this one has, look at the cherries, walnuts. I mean, look at all the colored fruits. They're just so pretty. I just love those. So again, that was a great deal, 75 cents each, and that was a 25% off. And then the last set of dishes I got, there's 6 again. So the last little bunch I got was for $6, and here's another one for $6. And these are Bon Appetit little plates, appetizer plates. And aren't they cute? And they have the fleur-de-lis, which is my favorite. And so these are our little French plates. So I'm thinking about doing like a little French display. And these were 75 cents, but they were yellow tags, so that means they were half off. So what, 40 cents?
Probably something like that.
So it has that one. And look at this one's got a little bicycle. Isn't that cute? And then this one has the little cafe. It says Cafe Delphine. Got cute little bistro set.
You got your round table back with the umbrella. We could do a little bistro cafe theme also.
And then this is looks like, I'm not sure what this is, but cute. Now this one is my favorite. This is the little flower cart. Look at that one.
I would really love to get a little flower cart for my garden.
Oh, it's so cute. And then the last one, my favorite, and I've actually been here, and it was very magical. They talk about how magical it is, but it really was. And it was the Eiffel Tower. Look at that. And me and my husband went last year, and we just loved it. So I already liked everything French. And then we went, and we're like, oh, this is so nice. So I'm looking forward to doing some kind of table, like a French
theme.
Yeah, French theme. So we've got that French country, but this one's going to be more
like a Paris theme.
Yeah, like a Paris theme. So
well, we better go. It's getting a little late already. We never know how to shut up.
But I hope you like the shopping haul. This is part 2, and don't forget to go and watch part 1 so you can see all the other goodies I got from my secondhand store. And maybe next time, Mom will be able to join me.
Hopefully. We can just get Dad at the ball game.
We gotta ship him off doing something so we can spend more time to go shopping and finding the bargains.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for
Bye.
coming by. Hope you got a chance to watch both of the shopping hauls.
And if you're not already subscribing to Grandma Sandy's page, you gotta do that. And if you're not subscribing to my page or our page, Blossom Your Creativity, go on over and check it out. Bye-bye.